Hi, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Yes, today onwards, we are going to be starting about the React JS. Okay, what about React JS? It is very famous JS library. It is very famous JS library. Okay, if you want to come to the React JS, if you want to come to the React JS, first of all, you need to understand JavaScript. If you don't know JavaScript very well, if you don't know JavaScript very well, you can't able to understand React.js. Remember, if you don't know about JavaScript, you can't able to understand React.js. What this React.js is basically, it is front end, front end library. Remember, sir. Remember, sir. This is front end library. Okay. In the web application, you will be having two things. One is the front end, one is the back end. Na? In the part of the front end, how the manipulations are going to be happening with, how the clicks are going to be happening with, how the browser is going to be taking the data and giving the request. All this front end parts, all this front end parts, which are going to be happening with React.js. This was developed by Facebook. Mm. You know Facebook, na? Uh, React developed by Facebook. But now this is very trending in the market. Okay. On React.js, basically developed on Node.js. Everything is JavaScript only. Everything is JavaScript only. Node.js, based on the Node.js, based on the Node.js, React.js developed with. Okay, if you want to understand Node.js, if you want to understand React.js, JavaScript is very important, sir. First of all, learn JavaScript. Learn JavaScript. JavaScript is the number one trending programming language in the world. Learn JavaScript, then you can able to easily understand Node.js, then you can able to easily understand React.js. Very simple, straightforward, straightforward. Okay, let me go with React. Okay, React. Hmm. Just go with React. It's the official website, react.dev. It is the official website. But if you want to create a project with React.js, first of all, you need to install Node.js in your system. Okay, let me go to the Node.js. Let me go to the Node.js. Okay, let me go to the Node.js. Node.js. Just search for Node.js. Okay, this is a Node.js official website. Nodejs.org, where you can able to download the Node.js, get Node.js or download Node.js. Okay. Windows installer, please go ahead. Please go ahead. So I'm downloading it. Yeah, it was done. It was done. Install it. Install it properly. Properly install. Properly install. Click on next. Hmm, please wait. Setup wizard prepares. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. It is asking me to wait. Yeah, click on the next button. Yeah, accept it. Next. Okay, finish. Node.js is going to be installing to my system. Sir, without Node.js, you can't able to work on React.js. So that is our reason. First of all, I want to install Node.js in my system. Why? Because of React.js developed on Node.js, sir. It will take some time. I have to wait. I have to wait to install the Node.js. Yes, done. Validating installation. Super, 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 super. Okay, fine. Installing Node.js in my system. Sir, please install Node.js before practicing React.js. Trying to installing it. Yeah, finish. Can you click on finish button? Node.js properly installed in my system. Just check it out. Check it out. Where the Node.js is available. What is the version of the Node.js? Just go for the command line. Go for command line. CMD command. CMD. Okay. Okay, it is waiting. CMD command. CMD. What is the version of your Node.js? What is the version of your Node.js? You have to check it out. No? What is the version of Node.js installation? What you done so far? Node. Node. I want to prove the font. Hmm. Node V version. What is the version? Okay, you have 24.11.0. Oh, super. Okay, what is the NPM version? NPM minus V. NPM minus V. Super. 11.6.1. I got properly Node.js installed. I got properly NPM installed. Now, now I can able to jump into the React.js. Am I clear, sir? Properly Node was installed in my system. Now I can able to jump into the React.js. React.js is very, very famous and which is going to be having huge number of job openings. Huge number of job openings. I will show. I will show. Let me wait. Let me go through the LinkedIn. Let me go through the LinkedIn. LinkedIn.com. Just go and search. Just go and search. Jobs. Mm, okay. In the jobs area, search for React.js. Search for React.js. In the jobs area, search for React.js. Huge number of openings there. Huge number of openings. Freshers or experienced. Freshers or experienced. Huge number of job openings. Let me open Naukri. Naukri is the one more job portal where you can able to find out the jobs. There I am searching for the React.js. Yeah. There I am searching for React.js. Sir, can you see? Huge number of job openings. Huge number of job openings. Wherever you go, wherever you go. Okay, let me search in the Indeed. React.js. Can you search, sir? Huge number of job openings. Huge number of job openings. So, for freshers, React is very, very important. Even for experienced people. Even for experienced people also, React.js is very, very important. You have to go through this. Okay, so we did Node.js installation today. And the next class, I have to install the React. I need to go for the React project. Am I clear? Am I clear? So Mohansh is going to be giving all React related videos free of cost. Free of cost. You no need to pay the money. You just learn React.js. Just learn React.js with the zero payment. Thanks a lot.